Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Gajar Methi. For this we need 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 chopped onion, turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, salt, red chili powder, 200 grams of peeled and chopped carrot, 100 grams of fenugreek leaf. So take a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, add 2 cloves of very finely chopped garlic, saute for a couple of seconds. Now add 1 medium size chopped onion. Cook onion till pink or transparent. Now add 200 grams of chopped carrot. Toss it up. Add salt. Toss it again and cook it for another half minute. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it. Now add 100 grams of fenugreek leaf and gently stir. Cook it for 30 seconds. Stirring. Now cover it and leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, mix it and serve it. And your very healthy Gajar Methi is ready. Thank you.